Welcome to Blue Ocean of Compliance Tips. Today's topic is material management for API manufacturing companies. Today, few of them we are going to discuss. The first thing is that whenever you are going to procure any material, any raw material, any key starting material, the material must be purchased against the approved specification. Means what are the exact requirement of that material, and against that specification the material to be purchased. Vendors or suppliers from which you are going to procure the raw material or key starting material must be qualified against the requirement and against your specification. Another key point is that the materials must be segregated as the critical and non-critical material, raw material, and critical material must be handled with more stringent SOPs and procedures. There must be procedure to handle all the activities related to material management. Whenever you are going to qualify any vendor or supplier for your raw material or key starting material, audit must be performed. Who is going to perform the audit of the supplier or vendor? So that auditor must be trained, and the auditor trained to ensure that all the requirements which are there as per the cGMP should be ensured that they should be in compliance with those requirements. So there are many other things also for material management of API manufacturing facility. So like there is first in and first out, or FIFO and FEFO are used to decide that which materials you are going to use before and which material you are going to use later. So when supplier qualification discussion is there, so you can decide the supplier based on your experience, based on your previous data, and based on the track record of that supplier and vendor. And with that you can also compare the results of the testing of your own laboratory. So based on that result, based on the audit of the supplier, and based on the quality of the material which the supplier and vendor is going to provide, you can qualify the vendor. So these were the few things. Other things we shall be discussing in our next Blue Ocean of Compliance tips. So I hope whatever we are discussing here, you are implementing those principles on your site. They are not in implementation, so please ensure that those compliance tips must be implemented on the site. So don't delay for that. Decide what and make the strategy that how you are going to implement those principles. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe is signing out until we meet again in our next Blue Ocean of Compliance tips. Thank you.
Hello friends, are you reading the Blue Ocean of Compliance? How the reading is going on? Whether you are only reading or you are applying also the principles. Only knowing and not doing is not going to help you. So do not forget to implement the principles you are learning in Blue Ocean of Compliance. Okay? So all the best. Keep reading the Blue Ocean of Compliance. Thanks.